Alright, so what's up YouTube? Like I promised, I got Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. I actually have another box, but I decided to buy a new one. Definitely this time sealed. And for you guys, I'm gonna do a box opening, give away the card, see what's up. So the story about the box, I went to so many stores, they were sold out. So this box ranged from 75, went up to 80, 85, 90, now it's 100. Luckily I got it for 95, and hopefully that this box opening is actually good. And again, I'm not gonna use no fucking screwdriver or a little butcher knife. I'm actually use a real knife for this box opening, like I always do. It's like my gimmick now. So without further ado, let's do the box opening. And I got my friend here recording. Hopefully he brings some good luck to this. Get some good pulls. Let's do this. Alright. Let's get this opening going. Tachyon. Overload. First pack. Let's do this. So we got Brotherhood of the Fire Fist, Leopard, Takura Knight, Gaga Wind, Memory Loss, Big Whale, Mind Drain, pretty good card, Starfish, another Brotherhood, and a Phantom. Pretty cool, not bad. On to the next pack. Here we go. Memory Loss, Spellbook of Miracles, Radius, Tachyon Knight, and then this time I got Triforce Test Ops. Pretty hard to say. Little Fairy, a Aura Wing, and a Peak 10. Not bad. I could do better though. And then now we got an Aerial Recharge, Shuriken, Blizzard Falcon, Stream, and a Dark Fairy, ooh, and a Mecha Phantom Beast Mega Raptor. Pretty nice. Let me put this to the side, along with the commons. Next pack. So we got a Mecha Phantom Beast Stealth Ray, Lightning Dragon Ruler of Drafts, Mimic, Legendary, and we got a Battling Boxer Lead Yoke, ooh, and a Pinpoint Guard. It's decent. Secret rare. Hopefully that's not my only secret in this box. I'll be so pissed. Alright. So we got Battling Boxer, Panther Shark, Aerial Recharge, Gaga Wind, XYZ Revenge, pretty good card. Ooh, and a rank up Magic Bearer Force. Pretty awesome. Put it to the side. Next pack. It's very interesting how the price of this pack just kept going up and up and up, and I just had to get it. I had no choice. So we got a Legendary Aladdin Tridon, Battling Boxer Sharpener, Dragon Carnation, Radius the Half Moon, and we got, ooh, Tidal, Dragon Ruler of Waterfalls. Pretty epic. I have the Earth one, but anyways. Mind Drain. No, this is definitely a good pull. Oh, yeah, just leave it here. Next pack. And by the way, make sure to check out Return of the Duelist, Abyss Scale, Blizzard Falcon, Sonic Warrior, Shark Fortress, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist, Buffalo, but you know, fuck that name, Battling Boxer, Glassjaw, Fire King Avatar, and Dorodin, whatever. Next pack. Alright, so we got Tidal Knight, Panther Shark, Shark Raken, Battling Boxer, Big Whale, Magnum Shield, Fire Formation, Mermail Bosia, and then Parsec. Pretty cool. Not really. Sorry about that, guys. Panther, Abyss Scale, Battling Boxer, Shark Fortress, and Battling Boxer Lead Yoke, Fire Formation, Mermail, Parsec, and Fire King Artar. So you got Legendary Aladdin, Radius the Half Moon Dragon, Spellbook of Miracles, Battling Spar, Brotherhood, Eagle Shark. Okay. Anyways, Five Brothers Explosion. Still don't know how to say the name. And Burner. Some of the names in here just don't make any sense. That's Konami for You Mimic, Battling Boxer Counterpunch, Lightning Dragon Ruler, Sonic Warrior, Altitude Knight, ooh, and Evil Swarm. Now I know people are looking for this Evil Swarm. Yes, awesome pull. Definitely gonna put this to the side. I knew I should have bought another fucking sealed one the first time. But anyways, that's done with. Let's pray for that Firefist Secret. Mimic, Brotherhood, Memory Loss, Stream, Dual Barrel Roll, ooh, and Costello Omega. Pretty awesome. First edition. Beast Warrior. Push this to the side. Probably throw it away later. On to the next one. Memory Loss, High Tide on Fire Island, Make a Phantom, Shark Racken, Harpy's Pet, ooh, Harpy's Pet Fantizo Dragon. And then the rest, you guys, oh, and Rise Bell, the Star Adjuster. I haven't seen this card. Pretty cool. So far, pretty good pulls. I'm happy with this box. Pretty fucking awesome. You'll probably see my other box opening. This is a little different. It's actually sealed. Blizzard Falcon, Stream Dragon Ruler, Spellbook of Miracles, Dual Barrel Roll, and I got number 107 Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon, the front cover of the box. Fucking awesome. I don't know how much she's worth though. Probably nothing. Battling Boxer and XYZ Block. Oh, right, another pack. So you can already fucking see all the packs already wasted. It's like totally worth it though. I'm already happy so far. Totally got my money's worth. Legendary Aladdin Tridon, Memory Loss, Spellbook of Miracles, Radius the Half Moon Dragon, Brotherhood. Ooh, a Noble Arms of Destiny. I already have one. Pretty awesome. Put this to the side. Honestly, I don't know if I should show you all the commons. I'll probably show you the holos and rares, but I don't know about the commons. To review at the end anyways. I think that's too much. So anyway, Shark Fortress, Brotherhood of whatever, Takua, Gaga Wind, Mecha Phantom Beast, Baujuka, whatever, Mind Drain, good card, Parsec, and Fire King. Pretty epic. Happy so far with the pulls I'm getting. Tatua Knight, High Tide on Fire Island, Greed Dustin, Battling Boxer, Harpy's Pet and Tizzle Dragon, Little Fairy, Wrestle the Star Adjuster, Eagle Shark, funny name, Five Brothers Explosion. Seems like Konami's running out of ideas. Alright. I highly recommend you guys buying a box. It seems like everything's awesome pulls. Battling Boxer, Sparter, Dragon Carnation, Radius the Half Moon Dragon, Aerial Charger, Go-Go Gigas, Five Brothers Explosion, Dodoen, Mecha Phantom, and Little Fairy. Down to our last packs, man. Hopefully I get something really awesome. I did get a secret rare pinpoint, which I wish it was something else, but let's hope I get another secret rare. Shark Fortress, Mecha Phantom, Lightning Ruler, Dragon Ruler, Mimic, Mecha Phantom Beast, Mecha Phantom Beast Black Falcon, and Summon Breaker and Battling. Alright, so we got the final 4 packs inside the box. Let me get something good. Sonic Warrior, Panther Shark, Abyss Call of the Miziki, Battling Boxer, number 69, and Gariga Gear. Not bad. I don't know if you guys are looking for this card. I was really hoping that Pinpoint wasn't going to be in the box, honestly. Battling Boxer, Panther Shark, Aerial Recharge, Gaga Wind, XYZ Dark Fairy Cheer, Parsec, Fire King, Mermail, and Fire Formation. Down to the final packs, and I'll show you all the pulls I had. Now we got like a freaking pile. Anyways, Panther Shark, Shaika Racken, Battling Boxer, Legendary Aladdin Trident, Wheel of Prophecy, King of the Pharaoh Imps, Battalion Jewels of the Valiant, and I don't feel like pronouncing that name. So one more pack in the box, and that's it. Let's hope that I get a holo in one of these. Stream, Abyss Scale of the Miziki, Blizzard Falcon, Sonic Warrior, Altitude Knight, Jewels of the Valiant, Babuichiki, Five Brothers Explosion, and Dual Twin. Final pack. Let's get this shit over with. The final pack. Spa Book of Miracles, Mimic, Battling Boxer Counterpuncher, Lightning Dragon Ruler of whatever, and the Ice Beast. So not bad. XYZ block and a Battling and King of the Pharaoh Imps. So pretty awesome pulls, honestly. I got some pretty good cards. Here are the holos. Giga Gear, Noble Arms of Destiny, and the Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon. The card in the front, pretty fucking awesome. I'm happy. Constellar Omega, never heard of that card. And Evil Swarm Kirikian, awesome card. Rank Up Magic Barbarian's Force, Ultimate Pinpoint Guard, and it's okay. I was hoping this wasn't the secret card in the box. At least something else. And then I got myself a Mecha Phantom Beast Mega Raptor. Some pretty awesome cards. You know, you gotta comment, you gotta message me, you gotta like, you gotta subscribe if you want some cards, honestly. So if you ever see me, you know, commenting on other videos, check me out, check out my other videos. I hope you guys like the boxing, and I hope to bring further more boxings from Yu-Gi-Oh! Packs. Hopefully getting the new, I believe it's the War of the Gods or something, 2nd edition. But thank you guys, make sure you subscribe, like, and I'll get back to you guys and enjoy the video.